finally came. Actually, it got here in like 2 days.
So I found this WEN bandsaw for $119. And it had good reviews, so I picked one up. It's here. Let's check it out. We'll put it together and give it a shot. See how it does.
We'll break out the Smith & Wesson's Special Ops knife. Open it up. Put it together right now. All right, looks nicely packed. Good styrofoam, not just junked around. We got a manual. We've got, looks like some knobs. That's your cut guard. Your tray. All right. Get that out. We've got the can't remember what these are called. Pusher. And then that comes out, and there's the bandsaw. So this looks pretty straightforward. I said I needed a bandsaw, and it arrived. So let's get it out of the plastic, and we'll see exactly how long it takes me to assemble it. It is nicely packed, I'll give them credit. And it seems fairly rigid for what it is. I mean, for a $120 bandsaw. All right, so I'm waiting for my clock to split to 9:15. Now, I've never put one of these together before, so this is gonna be, you know, if I can do it, you can do it. And right now I'm just getting the plastic out of the way. All right, 9:15, here we go. Okay, let's try that again. So, only complaint so far is these two nuts are so coated in paint I couldn't get the bolts in. So I had to just chase them for a minute. That was somewhat problematic. I didn't need to go get my taps to actually do it. I just did it with the thing, but it was a pain in the butt. So come on, WEN, it's a great product. You got a good design, but quality control, people. Other than that, that's pretty minor. So let's put it back together now.
Alright, so that's there. Now let's retry these angle controls.
Yeah, they thread nicer now that I chased them. All right, so that's okay. There it is. Now, if I hadn't had to chase those two weld sockets, it would have been about 10 minutes, but that took me an extra 10 minutes. So about 20 minutes to put it together. That's my only complaint. Very, very minor. Let's go check it out. Let's go give it a shot. All right, let's look at it now. So you've got the adjustable stop gauge. What it has this adjustable blade guide. It has the on and off switch right here. And if you turn this knob, they're tapered, and these are compartmental, which I really like. The other bandsaw I used to have, this was all one piece, and that was a problem. It's got a chip sweeper down here. It's got a suction port for your shop vac, and I believe it can take up to 3/8 blade. So then you've got your adjustable miter gauge, and the table itself is adjustable as well. So you can make some...
So between the 2 points of adjustment between the table and the miter gauge, it's pretty... You can make some pretty complex cuts. So I've got some wood from a project 20 years ago that didn't ever get cut out because my bandsaw broke and I never replaced it. So we're gonna try it out.
All right. So I got some scrap wood from projects that never got done. Let's put it on here, and I'm gonna adjust my blade to about a 1/16, and let's give it a try. Ooh, cut like butter.
Oh yeah, this cut's great. Perfect. All right, so let's go through the specifics. It has a it's a 120 volt motor. It is 2,500 feet per minute blade speed, 9-inch throat, cutting depth is 3.5 inches. Work table size is 12 5/16 by 11 7/8. You can take the table angle to 45 degrees. It uses the 59.5-inch blades, 1/8 to 3/8. Now I've heard that the 1/8 size blades are a bit problematic. I've got like a 3/16 on there right now and it worked perfectly. Dust port's 2.5 inches and it weighs about 40 pounds. So for 120 bucks, yeah, I think that's a win. I have them available in my description below. I totally recommend go get yourself one today. You will be seeing this in a lot of upcoming projects, and I'm excited to have it. So we'll see you next time.